there used to be a feature where you could see the lifetime views of a channel. It used to be here in the about section. Now it's not here. How you can find it is that just open any YouTube channel and just click on more over here. Once you click on more, here is the details that you are looking for. So this channel has 514 million views in its lifetime, and well, pretty much everything that you want to know about this channel at a glance. But if you are looking for even more details, just go on to Google, check out this website called viewstats.com, and then try to search the same channel that we saw there, IT jungles. Let us search for that. Okay, so this is not that. Maybe now we can find it. So yeah, this is the one. So here it says that the total views in its lifetime are 514 million, just like the one we saw over there. It has 3K subs in the last 28 days. Estimated revenue is between 10 to 30K. If it's true, good for them. And in the last 28 days, the views are 4.12 million. And these are the trends of the statistics of the channel. So also the subscriber count, view count. So basically a lot more details that you would want to know other than the first glance. So you see they have 24,119 videos. So let me know if you found this useful.